Clamp it all the way up here. Smell good. There's mountain here. Let's see how our water goes. Oh yeah, we're going. Plenty of time. Still have jets firing off. Alright, here's my Ribz front pack. I picked up, I don't even remember, it must have been back in November, or maybe, yeah, about November. I bought it right before elk season here in Washington. And I love this pack. I use it for all of my hunting trips. I take it when we go duck hunting, and I take it on my backpack trips. It's been a great pack. I like how it keeps everything right up front. I haven't done a review on it yet, but I just wanted to show you this. We're over here dialing up my buddy's dialing up his sewing machine so we can fix this one little problem spot. Everything's been great except for right here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand here. I blew out some stitching right here. I don't know when it happened or how it happened, but I mean, it didn't completely come apart because they stitched it and then folded it over and stitched it again. So there hasn't been nothing's fallen out of it. But a little bit bummed out that came apart on me. So we're going to go ahead and reinforce that and dial it in. I haven't contacted Ribz Repair or anything like that. I'm pretty confident that they'd take care of it if I did. But I fortunately have a buddy who knows his way around the heavy-duty sewing machine. Just a quick look at that. And
how do you thread this thing again?
So we'll get that dialed up, and I'll shoot a quick vid when it's finished. A little bit of the custom reinforcing of the Ribz wear. Simple as that, huh?
That's it.
Yahtzee.
That was an easy one. Matt's, on the other hand, not going to be that easy.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, let's check that out.
Open that up, see if it's satisfactory.
That's looking pretty good, man. Look at that thing. Yep, let's turn that around.
You can see the perforations from the old one.
Yep.
A little bit.
Yep. That's looking pretty solid though, right there. Sweet. Pretty confident that it will not be ripping open in that same spot.
Shouldn't.
I don't know.
Thread that's on there's cotton or what? That's weird.
There we go. Alright, Ribz pack repaired and ready for use. So now I'm going to have to deploy into the wilderness.